Hi, I'm Ning, the founder and instructor's leader of Music Summer Camp. The co-author is Dr. Chen. We are going to share with you our Music Summer Camp programs that incorporate SDGs to evoke social consciousness. Climate change, environmental pollution, war, and human rights are all phenomena in the world and may seem beyond the scope of music education. Still, they are, in fact, closely related to our lives. It made me think about how music can inspire students to connect themselves to those issues. Two questions before designing the programs are: what is the role of music and music teaching in the issue-based inquiry courses? How can we promote children's and parents' awareness of responsibility and ability to participate in social issues through music activities? The Poco a Poco Music Education Foundation is promoting music education in the rural community, where is the very east of Taiwan called Chishang. The Music Art Summer Camp lasts 3.5 days and was attended by 25 elementary school students. We start with 17 Sustainable Development Goals set out by the United Nations in 2015. And after a careful review, we consider what elementary school students can understand. Then we come to 3 issues. Those are international, environmental, and human rights issues. We guide students to explore what is going on in the world, observe what is happening in the environment around them, and be sensitive about the interactions between people. In issue-based music activities, including singing, movement, music appreciation, and performance. There are 4 principles to design this program. First, contextualization, build real-world connection. Second, integrate knowledge, skills, and effective learning experience in music activities. Third, applying a variety of teaching strategies. Fourth, putting into practice. I will then elaborate on the following design ideas for each topic. For the international issues, teachers bring out the pictures and news related to the issues, facilitate discussions and dialogues among students, guide them to understand the international situation, and have reflections and propose solutions. Finally, students integrate their ideas put into practice through drama and music performance. As for environmental issues, teachers provide students with 3 scenarios of melting glaciers, polluting oceans, and forest fire. We stimulate students' interest through pictures, videos, storybooks, drawings, and music movements. Different music is associated with different scenarios, guiding students to imagine, feel, experience, and discussion. In this process, we found that music can be both compelling and persuasive when combined with image and text. Students start to imagine the helplessness of polar bears, the seaweed polluted by garbage, and the panicked animal in the forest fire through music appreciation and music movement, which stimulates their feeling and promotes more discussion. Here is the selection of some students' paintings with words. Each student presents their pictures with a sentence description expressing their thoughts toward environmental issues with the background music they just performed. Next is a short video clip to demonstrate their live performance. In the last human rights issues, we focus on students' life experience, that is bullying issue. Through activities such as emotional sculpture gallery, role-playing, and drama rewriting, students attempt to be aware, feel, empathize, and considerate with each other. They establish mutual respect, fraternity, and inclusive. Taking the emotional sculpture gallery as an example, teachers provide cheerful and sad background music. In this content, some students perform positive or negative comments as sculpture, and the other students are working in these emotional sculptures as bystanders, feeling and experience different moods. Next is a short video clip to demonstrate these activities. Music plays a vital role in the emotional sculpture gallery, enhancing emotional expression and evokes students to empathize. At the end of this program, we have a final performance that combines singing, movement, drama as a musical, and this demonstrates students' learning outcomes toward the international, environmental, and human rights issues. This performance allows parents to draw attention to their children's expression and connect to social consciousness. 7 teachers made this program possible. They have the common goals and form a professional learning community. After 4 months of preparation, teaching observation, discussion, and expert instruction, teachers learn from each other and help each other to develop professional growth. Through the interviews and the questionnaire feedback from students and parents, students feel that they can understand the critical issues more in a relaxing and enjoyable way, and music helps them to express their emotion and body awareness. Besides, they learn to work with each other and enjoy the accomplishment of performing together. Parents believe that the multi-arts approaches stimulate students' willingness to explore and engage further in issue-based learning and improve their children's express abilities. Parents were very touched by the performance, believing that music can help people connect to each other, be more responsible, and have more actions on those issues. Thank you for listening.